Hey guys, what's up? Thomas Miata here, and we are at Formula Drift in St. Louis with JACmotorsports. Gonna be helping them out this weekend, seeing how things go, getting brakes, hopefully we can get it fixed, and we want to see Alex win if we can. Shout out to all the sponsors and Alex and everybody for having me, having a good time. Stay tuned. Behind the scenes in the pits here, Alex, what's up? How are you feeling, man? You excited?
It's hot.
It's hot. It's gonna be a hot one today for sure.
And I gotta put my suit on like right now.
He's got the driver's meeting, guys, in a couple of minutes, and then gonna be getting on track for practice. Jimmy, what's up? Shout it out. You excited to be here?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Ready to go to war.
Go to war.
Mateen's here.
Let's do this shit.
Stevie's here.
FD, let's do this shit.
Getting a little ride on the back of the truck. Heading over to the hot pits right now. Oh snap. Welcome to the infield, guys. This is where the magic happens. You actually don't have a very good view of the track all the way back there, but it's pretty cool being in the pits and hanging out and helping and getting the crew set up, and we can watch live stream right on the phone. Just like you guys.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, Rudy? How you doing, man?
Good, how are you guys? Ready to party or what?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Who are you helping today?
Huh? I'm with JACmotorsports today.
Right here.
Filming. Oh.
What up, sir?
What's up, Rob?
What up, Tom?
It's a little tough when your knees hit the steering wheel and you're not expecting it. That's how you do that right there. Grab a bike, start riding around. Battery up. Hell yeah, shout out to Wadman. Getting it, this is the second year here. Basically, people were talking about dialing grip out a lot, including Wadman, and I think that's what we're gonna do with Alex. So we upped his tire pressure by 10 PSI, so we're hoping he can try to stay in third a little bit longer and really push through those zones. He also hasn't quite had a full lap yet, hoping this next practice ends up actually getting a full lap. That's Alex, everybody. He's the one that told me about safety meetings. And if you couldn't tell, we're heading back out for practice round 2. Fingers crossed, let's see how she goes. painted up the air-conditioned boxes where you can see all the runs. Oh no, Wadman, stay on the track.
Now you know you have somebody behind you that you've driven with recently, so just give her all she got, Captain.
Give her all she's got, Captain.
That's right. It's a good attitude to have. I love you.
For my notes, I just have that he can give
Oh, cooked it.
It was nice.
Yeah. But yeah.
Throttle. Get on the throttle. Stay on the throttle. Throttle, 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 throttle. Tire
That
drop.
clutch.
Kick, 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 kick. Yes. That's technically a pass. No, it's not.
Oh, you
Spoke too
spoke
soon.
literally
Why'd
too
you
soon.
put that out in the
Because
universe?
I didn't. Down at the pits. Had to bring the bumper down. Qualifying is next. Fingers crossed. All right, what?
Hey, listen, I will never, ever quit smoking medical marijuana.
Drugs are bad, okay? Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs.
See how this vehicle throws down? Glider.
Apparently he made it through.
Fun driver to watch when he gets it together. It's on an angle there on that first outside zone. Now, that front flip.
Strategic tire drop.
Knocked it over, just glancing in.
Good job, Alex.
Talked about
Kick it.
absolutely
Yes! Yes!
Glider across the finish line.
Hell yeah!
See if this look glider.
All right, we're taking guesses. I'm saying 72. We got 73, 4, 5 over here. Let's see what we get.
After this, we got Pretty Ricky Hoffman coming up next. 71 for Alex, 71 for Alex.
All right, I said 72. I was pretty close. Here he is.
Yeah.
71. You got a 71. Good fucking job.
I did my first final complete lap, and that's not qualified.
Hey, go harder in entry. I'm sure you know.
Yeah.
That was it. That's all you gotta. That's all you gotta fix. Good fucking job. I had to stop over here at Wadman's. He's got stickers of me on his car. Hell yeah. Make sure you check him out, guys. He's looking real good out there. Working the crowd and everything. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. Working that crowd, bud.
You know it, you know it.
It is. What's up, man?
Oh my God.
How are you? Doing good. I don't cut no lines or nothing. It is. Find a wild film HQ. Well, it's good. I saw this shot. I'm like, that looks nice.
Nice. I dig it.
Wow, he's fast.
No, he's just aggressive.
Yes, he's aggressive and fast.
And he was like, whatever. Put that shit
Mistake, little bobble there.
Yeah, but everyone do that one.
Nice outer zone 4.
And look, it's gonna go all the way down. Exactly.
Early.
I don't throttle to leave that.
You wouldn't even know throttle on outer zone 2.
Red.
From Quebec, Canada. Licklider. And start. Licklider initiating. TLO initiates. Licklider not initiating. Failure to launch a little bit there. In that second outside zone. TLO pulling away. That third outside zone. Licklider not part of the equation. So a little bit of TLO 46 points behind our co-sharing leaders of points. TLO could gain some ground over Miata, and even, depending on where he lands today, could gain some ground over on the championship. Licklider initiates, looking a lot more comfortable out front. Now TLO, this is where he needs to show that he is a contender to get on top of the box, get into the mix, and be a championship contender. Licklider, a little too late here. Doesn't make that outside zone. A lot of drivers having some difficulty in Prospect going from that.
How'd it go, buddy?
Oh, is this the event recap?
Whatever you want.
Alright, so Formula Drift, St. Louis. It was a little bit of a rough weekend, for sure. I had the hardest time trying to figure out the line. I finally figured it out on my qualifying run, which got me into the show, which was awesome. I didn't have to double qualify. We go up against Tommy, which we know is, going to be a hard battle. It's top 32, and I had to chase. He was lead because he was a higher qualifier. And I just misshifted right off the line, man. It gave him like 10 car lengths. I mean, it just put my mindset in the wrong place. I knew at that moment that the show was over. I mean, Tommy could have messed up on his chase, but I knew that he's a solid driver. He knew that he just needed to put it in the bag to win it, and that's exactly what happened. So,
Yeah, buddy. All said and
my first
done.
year in FD, I've done all 3 rounds so far. I've made it in the show every single time. So, I mean, I can't really complain, man. This has been a good year, very eye-opening here at Formula Drift.
Hell yeah.
If you want to check us out, follow JACmotorsports. That's where we post all the car stuff. My page is worthless.
Follow JACmotorsports, guys. Check them out online. Give them a follow. Tell them Thomas Miata sent you.
That's right.